Hello listeners, and welcome to the third program in our series. Let us learn about design and technology, which is produced for grade 8 learners and everybody else who has an interest in the subject. My name is Nodi Iambo, and today we will learn about resistant materials. Please have a pen and a notebook ready so that you can make notes of the important points. And don't forget to take part in the quizzes at the end of the program. Wood is one of the best and most important material in a workshop, isn't that so? In today's program, we will talk about timber, wood as a resistant material. At the end of this program, you should be able to collect and discuss a selection of locally used wood regarding types, origin, properties, and uses. A teacher went to a class and he found his learners debating on two materials, namely metal and wood. They were arguing which one of the two is best to use. He decided to select a topic based on their discussion. He chose wood. Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
I see you are having a discussion comparing wood and metal. Today we will talk about the resistant material, which is wood or timber. Can anyone please tell me what timber is?
Yes, sir. It is a general name used for construction.
Timber is every chair and table in this class.
You are all correct. Timber is a useful material that is used in our everyday life. Timber is classified into two groups, namely softwood timber and hardwood timber. Softwood include trees that bears cones with seeds and has narrow, needle-like leaves and is evergreen, while hardwood trees have broad leaves with covered seeds and are deciduous. Who can give me an example of softwood and hardwood?
Yes, sir. Softwood examples are palm tree, baobab trees, marula trees. I don't know about the hardwood.
For hardwood, we have mopane tree, oak tree, and acacia tree.
Whoa, that is a great thing. I don't have time to explain it in more detail because you know the difference between hard and softwood timber. Most of these types of timber originate from the northern regions of our country such as Oshana, Kavango East and West, as well as Zambezi regions. This is because of the rain patterns in those regions. Other softwood such as SA pine is imported. Now let's look at their properties and uses. Common properties of softwoods: lightweight compared to hardwoods, ease of working, meaning easy to machine and shape, cheaper than hardwoods, color mostly light brown or yellowish, works well with most finishes and adhesives, glue. Common properties of hardwoods: they are heavier than softwoods, they are hard, which makes it difficult to cut or shape, they are more durable and expensive, the color is usually dark brown or reddish brown, most of them are resistant to decay, which includes fungi and bacteria attacks, attractive grains and naturally beautiful, and they have high tensile strength.
So if hardwood is so expensive, can it be used for commercial purposes?
Yes, Sebius, it can be used for commercial purposes. Commercial means that something is ready to be in the industrial process, or it means that it can be sold or used. For example, beams in construction. Let's look at the uses of these woods, which are: uses of softwoods can be used for roof trusses, bookshelves, teachers' desks, tomato boxes. Uses of hardwoods: for high quality furniture, doors, railway, garden benches, wooden mallets.
Oh really? I didn't know hardwood is also used in railways.
Yes, we use hardwoods in railway construction because it has the following properties: hardness, resists bending, high tensile strength, and they are durable, meaning they last longer.
Thank you for helping out with our debate on timber, sir. Can I speak before I forget anything we have learned today?
You are welcome.
Yes, sir. Today we have learned the difference between our two types and origin of woods, softwood and hardwood. We also learned of their common properties and uses.
And that brings us to the end of today's program. But before we say goodbye, here are your questions for the day. What are the uses of timber? And state 2 examples of each: hardwood and softwood. This program was written by Mrs. Naomi Koskenkangas. Have a nice day and stay safe.
This program was brought to you by NAMCOL with funding from the Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture and the Commonwealth of Learning.